Okay, let's rewind a bit. We are Hrvatski telekom, and Tebe se pita is our new communication platform for young people. We already know they love to create, and with our new proposition, we allow them to create even more, without limits. But this time, we wanted to take a step further. We asked young people how they use technology to make the internet a better place. First things first, we published 7 inspiring TikToks, showing young people using technology and creating something exceptional, from applying AI in job searching to using social media for launching a music career and becoming a local star. In each story, natively, our protagonists mention one of the apps from our new proposition that helped them create content and gain knowledge. These 7 stories, showing a slice of a world of better opportunities, got a lot of attention, almost 70,000 views, and 4,800 likes, comments, and shares. After inspiring our followers, we asked them to show us how they, with technology, create a world of better opportunities. The content we got from our followers was exceptional, just as the views. The hashtag used for the challenge got a lot of views, just like the winner's posts. And the best part, we awarded the 15 most inspiring challenge entries with trips to Bonn to an exclusive Billie Eilish show. Thanks to the activation, our TikTok channel grew significantly, with more than 6,500 new followers and 208,000 profile views. In the end, we found out our TikTok series and challenge caused an entirely positive sentiment online. Young people aren't passive or glued to their screens, and we proved this. The activation strongly connected the target with our new proposition, giving them the much-needed digital tools. Tebe se pita series and challenge is important because it puts young people in an active role and showcases how they're already using technology to change the world for the better.